Hi, I'm Madeline. I created this mini course on how to make a foolproof Hollandaise sauce because Hollandaise sauce is rich and creamy and luscious and buttery and lemony. It even has a little kick to it if you add just a pinch of cayenne pepper. It's a wonderful sauce and it completely transforms so many ordinary dishes into real extraordinary gourmet meals. And for the most part, this really isn't something that we make at home a whole lot. And I think that's primarily because the way you traditionally make Hollandaise sauce, it can be a little tricky. And the sauce could break and you might end up with scrambled eggs instead of a real luscious sauce. So with this foolproof method, you will nail it every time in just minutes. It's fast, quick, easy, and absolutely fun to make. So the other thing you will find in this course, aside from a step-by-step video and how-to photos, I've also included some great recipes that pair beautifully with Hollandaise sauce. You'll also find a troubleshooting guide just in case your sauce breaks. Not that I think it will, but if it does, don't worry about it, I got you covered. So if you're ready to transform some ordinary dishes into some truly extraordinary gourmet meals, then go ahead and click the Enroll Now button and join me in this free class, and I will see you soon.